Twitter changes its name to X around July 25th, 2023. Okay. A month later, August 22nd, 2023, Excel. Who started Excel? Microsoft, which Excel is a very key program of? Bill Gates. Excel rolls out a feature. Microsoft rolls out a feature for Excel called Python. And they introduce it August 22nd, 2023. Okay? So Python, this is what it said about it. Python in Excel brings the power of Python analytics into Excel. Use it to process data in Excel with Python code. You type Python directly into a cell. You type Python into a cell. Think about that sentence. The Python calculations run in the Microsoft cloud, and your results are returned to the worksheet. So, August 22nd, 2023, they roll this out. 2 days later, yeah, they're showing you it. This is just, it's so wild that this came out when it did. 2 days later, August 24th, 2023, Donald Trump is booked in Fulton County for indictments. So I find it interesting that their rollout for this feature was 2 days prior to this.